Hey guys, so I decided to take a break from hair and makeup and post this easy fried peach cobbler recipe that I got from my girl Stovetop Kisses. If you want to see how I made this delicious dessert, then stay tuned. So you're going to need 3 cans of peaches and syrup, 1½ cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1½ sticks of salted butter, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 can of the original buttermilk biscuits, vegetable oil, powdered sugar, and whipped cream or ice cream of your choice. You're going to brown your butter until it gets foamy on low heat. Now you're going to add your canned peaches, stir, and let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes and turn your stove up to medium heat. Then you're going to add your brown sugar and white sugar and stir it all in. Then add your cinnamon and salt, and what do, y'all? Stir it in. Then you're going to let it simmer until it gets this thick, sticky texture. Then it's done, y'all. Now you're going to heat up your vegetable oil. Then while the oil is heating up, you're going to pull out your biscuits and pull them apart just like this. Then you're going to put your biscuits and then fry them on each side 1 to 2 minutes. This is how it should look on the sides before you turn it over. Now you're going to take your biscuits out and drain the oil that's on them on a clean paper towel. Here's the fun part, putting this thing together. So you're going to add 2 biscuits on a plate, then sprinkle some powdered sugar. Add your peaches and your whipped cream or ice cream. I chose whipped cream. Then you're going to add more powdered sugar, then boom, we all done. Don't that look good? Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay bomb.